I love you so. The people ask me how I've lived till now. I tell them I don't know. I guess they understand how lonely life has been. But life began again.
Everything that we do, ever since I started as a public official, has always been to the benefit of people, and we intend this project and programs to last for a lifetime.
How lonely life can be.
Mangan ko sa ilang ipadayon na ilang tabang kanato. Kaya kini nga atong lakad karon para kini kanila, para kini sa katawhan sa Davao del Sur. Di na mo kaya kamiray mo lakaw ni lakara. Na kinahanglan gimi sa ilang tinutan nga tabang sa paningkamot, mga istorya, pagkonbenser nga doon na kita tinuod ka programa sa panggobyerno, benefit sa mga tao. We will continue to strengthen iHealth++.
Your thoughts are just for me. You set my spirit free. I'm happy that you do. The book of life is brief, and once a page is read, all but love is dead. That is my belief. And yes, I know how loveless life can be. The shadows follow me, and the night won't set me free. But I don't let the evening bring me down. Now that you're around me, and I love you so. The people ask me how I've lived till now. I tell them